Google is taking the idea of protecting your data on another level with its latest Android 16 update. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Google has announced the advancement of its theft protection for Android phones with new features in Android 16 focusing on protecting users' personal data and deals with financial fraud if your Android devices are lost or snatched. Google said that with Android's updated theft protection program, you won't lose control of smartphones since they carry sensitive information such as banking apps and passwords. What makes this feature even more exciting is all about how it handles multiple failed login attempts. Your devices, which are running on Android 16, will get advanced protections, including a Failed Authentication Lock feature that locks the screen if someone tries to enter the wrong PIN or password multiple times. The best part, you can easily customize these features and settings. Google is also planning to expand its identity check feature, which will now run on more apps and services, including banking applications and its built-in password manager. Google's main idea is to lock out any potential threat to sensitive actions and keep them behind stronger identity verification. And to recover lost or snatched Android devices, all devices running on Android version 10 or above can use options like Remote Lock, which allows users to lock a stolen phone on any web browser. Simple, yet extremely life-saving. For more updates like these, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Tech fans, GadInsider here, and Google just dropped Android 16, the earliest major Android update ever. Packed with live activities, insane security upgrades, and more, this is a game changer. Stick around to find out why you'll want this on your phone ASAP. Imagine real-time ride-sharing updates on your lock screen, smarter notifications, and protection from scams like never before. Android 16 is here to level up your Pixel experience. Let's dive in. First up, Android 16 launched on June 10, 2025, starting with Pixel devices. We're talking Pixel 6, 7, 8, 9 series, Pixel 9a, Pixel Fold, and even the Pixel tablet. Want it now? Head to Settings, System, Software Update, and hit Check for updates. More brands will roll it out soon, so stay tuned. Now let's talk features. Android 16 introduces live updates. Think iOS live activities, but for Android. Get real-time ride-sharing or food delivery tracking right on your lock screen. No more unlocking your phone to check if your Uber's around the corner. Next, forced notification auto-grouping. Tired of apps spamming your notification shade? This feature groups them together, keeping things clean and organized. And security. Android 16's advanced protection is next level. It shields you from malicious websites, scam calls, and online attack. It's like a fortress for your phone, with one-tap security controls for Chrome, Messages, Phone, and even third-party apps in the future. Google's not stopping there. A future Android 16 update will bring desktop windowing built with Samsung. Picture Samsung DeX vibes, split screen, single app modes, and multitasking on big screens. Your Pixel's about to feel like a mini PC. Why should you care? Android 16 isn't just an update. It's a smarter, safer, and smoother experience. Whether you're a Pixel user or waiting for your brand to roll it out, this OS makes your phone work for you. Plus, it's the earliest major Android release in years. Google's setting the pace. Ready for Android 16? Drop a comment. Tell us which feature you're hyped for. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech updates from Android 16's here to fix your fingerprint scanner woes with a game-changing update. Want to rename and manage your saved fingerprints like a pro? Stick around to see how this boosts your privacy. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. If you're pumped for smarter Android features, hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more tech updates. Let's dive into Android 16's fingerprint scanner glow up. Android users, rejoice! Android 16 is bringing a much-needed upgrade to fingerprint scanners, spotted in the first Android 16 QPR1 beta preview. For years, managing fingerprints was a hassle. You could only add or delete them, but now you can check and rename all enrolled fingerprints right from your security settings. Just tap to see every saved fingerprint on your device, making it super easy to know where prints are stored. This feature, already a hit on Samsung's One UI, lets you personalize fingerprints like left thumb or a spouse's finger, so you can quickly decide what stays or goes. It's a small tweak with big privacy perks, catching Android up to rival systems like iOS. And it's not just for Pixel phones. This update will roll out to tons of Android devices, from Samsung to Xiaomi. Plus, Android 16 is packing other goodies, especially for Pixel owners, like smoother performance and new customization options. Wanna try it? The feature is in Android 16's beta now, with a full rollout expected later in 2025. Head to your security settings to check it out if you're on the beta. Android 16 is making your phone more secure and user-friendly than ever. How will you name your fingerprints? Drop your ideas in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay in the loop with GadInsider for more tech news. Subscribe for more tech and gadget updates, and check out these videos for the latest trends. Just when Pixel fans thought the nightmare was over, Google's Android 16 QPR3 Beta 2 is causing apps to crash left and right, leaving testers frustrated and furious. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the latest tech news. The update rolled out last week, and it promised to fix crashes and glitches, but for many, the problems aren't going anywhere. Pixel users flooded Reddit and Google's issue tracker with complaints, mostly about Microsoft apps like Teams and Outlook refusing to stay open. One Pixel 6a user wrote, "The Microsoft Teams crashing issue still persists. Any fixes?" Another Pixel Fold owner said, "My Microsoft apps keep crashing even after the latest beta. It's maddening." Pixel 7 owners also reported repeated crashes despite reinstalling apps. While some users claim the update improved stability, overall, it doesn't look well. Google had previously addressed these issues, and Beta 2 was meant to kill the crashes, but testers say there's no solution. Of course, the beta didn't come without perks. It brought a ton of improvements, bug fixes, and even an intrusion protection feature, and the security patch finally dealt with a GPU issue for the Pixel 10 series. Still, for those relying on Microsoft apps for work, these updates feel hollow. At this rate, Pixel users are left wondering if Android 16 QPR3 Beta 2 is more trouble than its peace. Not only the apps, but Google's crashing too. Patience is running thin, and testers are warning friends and colleagues to think twice before updating Android 16 QPR3 Beta. The promised stability delivered headaches instead. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Pixel owners are buzzing, and it's not just about new features. Your phone might actually feel brand new. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Go-to-Tech Hub. Google's latest Android 16 QPR2 update for Pixel devices didn't just bring handy tools like the circle to search scam detector. It looks like it changed the device performance across the board. Reddit users are raving about smoother interactions, cooler operating temps, and battery life that feels noticeably longer. One happy user even claimed their Pixel feels like a brand new phone. This is a surprise, especially for Pixel 10 owners who have long complained that their flagship lagged behind competitors like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in raw performance. While Google's blog post didn't make a big deal about performance gains, the improvements are real and users are definitely noticing. So what's the secret behind the boost? The leading theory points to an update in Pixel's garbage collection system. By making memory management more efficient, the update reduces CPU load and helps devices run cooler while stretching battery life longer. Google's notes hint at this, but they don't spell out the full story, leaving Pixel users to piece together the improvements themselves. Even if the exact cause remains a mystery, the result is your Pixel feels faster, smoother, and more efficient, all without buying new hardware. Whether it's extended battery life, snappier animations, or less heat under load, this update is a must-install for anyone looking to squeeze more life out of their Pixel. And for those who are still waiting, it's time to hit update so your Pixel might just surprise you. Have you updated yet? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates.